What's up, guys? It's me, Blinking01, back again for well, I guess a more updated bike check is what you would probably call it. So I still have some of my same old parts, a lot of new parts. Still have my same coat leader bars, the Vans grip, the Van Waffles, Colt grips, animal barns. I have a salt stem now. I had a stolen convict, but I like this one a lot better. No stock. Salt forks. I'm buying new forks anyway. There is a new front wheel, and for this front wheel, I would like to thank Grant Germain. It's a Demolition Zero wheel, listo to a Demolition Phantom hub. Salt pegs, Animal TWW front and back. A little teddy bear is like my team logo. I like flat bikes, so I just put it on here. I have my stolen mob cranks back. These have made a debut in about a while. My friend had them. Same pedals, Shadow Ravager. My KMC chain. There you go, you can see that. Odyssey MDS sprocket. Premium plastic seat. It's kinda comfortable, not. Frame is an Eastern codec frame. It's a lot different from my last frame. It's low cut, so you sit lower, it kinda fucking hurts your ass, but it's whatever. Primo spokes, same thing with the front, except these are in black. And I gotta show you guys the pattern, lacing pattern in the front. It's really weird. My same free coaster in the back, Alienation, salt pegs. I have a new rim. It's the Odyssey quadrant rim. TWW. That's pretty much about it on the lacing pattern in the front. It's really weird. They are all focus. Thank you. They are all inbound, which is really weird, which is also a good thing because when I grind, it's not going to like mess up the spokes. It's kind of the hub, but I might relace it, might not. So I guess it makes it good. And these rims are really awkward. This one's a gloss, as you can see. It's a gloss tip. And then the back one is just matte colored. No, I know it's dusty because I just came from riding, so. That is my bike check for my Eastern codec, and I guess we're done. Peace.